This guy's digging for the strangest bee colony on Earth, as what they produce has a rare ability unlike anything else, because they build their hives out of a substance called cerumen, which is a mixture of wax and tree resin, and they choose to build in very unusual spots like deep underground or even inside decaying wood. But they do this all because they have one major disadvantage, as they're called stingless bees since they literally can't sting, so they defend themselves with their teeth instead, which is why they prefer staying hidden from predators. But people still search for their hives because their honey has a surprising purpose, as it's not only much more sour and runny, but due to its rare natural compounds, it can heal wounds and even improve eyesight.